Hello everyone， 大家好，我们今天要看的就是东眼山下山到台7，东眼山 until the road 7 by road 119. This downhill is 12.24 kilometer， 然后减4 -4%， so it's downhill， 它只是下山，因为是减4。总共4236个人已经下过了，我排到第200名 ，200 place out of 4236。First, second, third， 我认识他们那个，刚刚那个1、2、3。好，我们要下坡吧 ，It's time to descend, guys。一定要戴安全帽，你骑脚踏车要戴安全帽。You need to wear a helmet going downhill, especially downhill. OK， 最特别的要下山。You need a helmet。我下的时候感觉到我后轮有问题，parang sa likod ko kanina yung rear wheel ko may problema, kaya tumigil ako sa spot na to. I wanna double check my rear wheel because it's kind of moving.So I check it, I check the skewer, 要看有没有前进。这样子要检查一下，安全第一，安全第一 ，safety first。I'm going to teach you Chinese. Safety first means 安全第一，安全 safety 第一 means first 安全第一，我们用安全第一 safety first。Na kayo, diba? So do you guys like this kind of videos with tutorials with the voiceover? 你们喜欢这种的影片吗？就是我会教中文跟英文。Leave me a comment down below if you want this kind of videos. Para sa inyong lahat ay matutunan ang mag-Chinese. Okay? Mandarin. Chinese Mandarin ang aking sinasabi. 如果你们在问我的 GoPro 在哪里 kung kayo nagtataka kung saan ko nilalagay ang aking GoPro, kinakagat ko po ito. 我是在咬它，要我的 GoPro 在嘴巴里咬，用呀这样子，kinakagat ko lang siya. But guys, don't worry, because I have something new that's coming into my mail, a chest strap. Chest strap for a new angle. 你们不用担心，我已经买了新的东西 ，GoPro strap， 就是放在那个胸部上面那个，胸部下面那一种，可以放我的 GoPro。Para sa mga friends kong Pinoy sa Taiwan, yung character na ganyan, yan nasa harap na yan, slow down. Alam nyo na may malapit ng likuan. Kaya slow down ang ibig sabihin nun. 就是我跟我朋友说下面那个就是说慢，就是要骑慢一点，因为前面就是要晚了，要小心，就这样。And every time we go down a hill, it's resting time, right? Nagpapahinga tayo, no pedaling. 要下山的就是算休息嘛，就休息的时候啦，就是要可以看外那个风景啊 ，the environment。Mag-take advantage na, tingnan mo na yung environment, o di ba? Ang ganda-ganda. Pahinga-mahinga time. Enjoy the view, take photos, 要拍照啊，给朋友看啊那些啊，对。朋友 means friends. 朋友 means friends in Chinese. 朋友 Mountains 就是山 Mountains bundok 是山 Hello 啊，好漂亮 Honda classic bike scooter. Look at that. 好，下坡吧。Tuloy ang downhill. Let's go down again. The descent is over, so I hope you enjoyed the movie or the video. 结束了，下山就结束了，我们又要上坡了，要往上pushing highlight. Okay, tapos na po ang aking munting downhill videos. I hope you enjoy it. Please click that subscribe button and keep on watching. Swang, comfortable, very wide. The road is very wide. Look at that, ang kwan. Sarap pag down. Mabilis siyang shoutout kay Person Valdez at Lawrence Ramos and BJ Banal Jerusalem.